So here's the deal. This 2016 Subaru Forester was making one heck of a grinding noise from the rear end. This poor customer was convinced it was just tire noise and even took it to another shop where they were told it needed new tires. But guess what? After we took a look at it, we found out the real issue. Both rear wheel bearings were shot. Also, make sure when you try to take the bolts off, make sure the socket is all the way in. Otherwise, it's easy to strip the head of the bolts. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please do it now. It helps us to make more videos. These brake caliper bolts and wheel bearing bolts are very rusty, so please make sure you guys heat these bolts before you try to take it out. It's going to strip the head and will be hard to take it out. I have to tell you something about the axle boot. It has some cracks close to the clamps that hold the axle boot. I showed it to the customer, but he's out of budget, but definitely he's going to do it. Sorry I didn't tell you what vehicle we are working on it. It's a 2016 Subaru Forester. We are using a snap-on slide hammer that has a 12 lb capacity. It's very good heavy-duty slide hammer. We don't have any issues with this slide hammer. It will take any task with no problem. Don't tighten the lug nuts too much, just make sure they are tight. Hey, I want to tell you one before pulling the wheel bearing, make sure to remove the axle nut. Sometimes when we try to pull the bearing out, there is a chance the whole piece, including the backing plate, will come out. No worries, we can hammer them out and we can separate them, not a big deal. Okay, after installing the new wheel bearing, please torque the spindle nut to 140 foot-pounds. Torque the wheel bearing bolts to 48 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.